shit, I run this shit, I feel it. You know that I don't
holy hell. Now we're sitting in this room, smoking it up, playing, baking this tune, and I'm gonna die. I ain't fucking lying, bitch, you ain't replying. So I'm gonna do the shit and do or die. See, now you try to revive me, you trying to fucking thrive me, trying to push it right by me. But I'm like, hold up, and then you like, what the fuck? I'm like, motherfucker, talk like that, and bitch, I'll fuck you up. And then this bitch instead of running it, she took my heart, but now I'm on this game, so they call me Mozart. Yo, I'm going on that money, cause that money on my mind, like stack after stack, bitch, I'm always on the grind, always winning, I'm always looking good, it's like diamond rings, and I always fucking should, and I always get the best. Now put it to work, it's like a motherfucker like me like to do my dirty dirt. I twerk, I work, I do the slow and steady jerk. I let it work and I make it a top, and I'm coming my way with a fully loaded stop and a fully loaded gag. It's just I'm strapping like a motherfucker. Yep, take a nap, motherfucker, cause you're gonna get back up. Motherfucker, it's snowing up. It's a snowstorm right outside. We're sitting here in VT. Oh, where in that castle? Then believe me, I'm like a motherfucker. I do it no other. What you doing now? You doing double. I'm doing two to the same time, and the same day, same as mine. And we all work as one. Call it noisy, but I call it fun.
I'm fucking freaking out. I think I'm tweaking now. The triple C's have got me in the fucking peaking now. I'm about to fucking start my little tweet freestyle. Oh baby, can you hear me going now? Oh shit, here we are, chilling like what the fuck. Man, can I get a hit of that little bowl? I wanna get stoned too, just like you. Yeah, I wanna smoke that black crack you got inside that pack. Let me fucking smoke it, toke it till I'm choking. Bitch, you know that I'm outspoken, but here we go, man. I'm keep flowing, keep on going, here I'm going, and I'm gone now. Every get on song, you know you can carry all along. Oh, whoa,
is it wrong doing this song like I'm 10 feet long? But you know I wrote this real quick, motherfucker. Roll real bold kind of shit, motherfucker. Now you trying to be a poet, didn't even know it. Sipping on the Kraton all night long, going syrup strong every time on yeah, baby. Now sing my song. I'm like one more whore at the time. Bitch always at my mind. Bitches always say they love my cock and they won't get it non-stop. Cause I love it. I love getting pussy. I love it more, but not as much as money. Yeah. Cause the money on my mind, the money on my mind, single plurals all the time, motherfuckers. It's money on my mind, just money on my mind, money's on my mind, money, yeah. We got that dough for show, like I'm kicking down your door and entering in with my fofo, and I let them have it. I allow that kush, I let him drag it back with a smoke cloud. Whoosh.
Yo, real fucking big fofo, biggie flow. Everybody know that we spit so sick. Everybody knows they're gonna take a hit and hit that shit. Light that fucking bowl, get lit. Oh baby, I'm so lit, I'm so high, I'm the shit. Why would I lie? Oh baby, you're a fucking queer bitch. Fuck you fucking fucked up fucking fucker. Suck a nut, or pick it up. I'ma just go ahead and bust a nut in your gut, like what, you slut?
Like a motherfucking
shit, fuck.
You wanna shit? Fuck
shit, bitch, slut, just sleep, bitch, slut, cunt, whore. I want more, give me some more. Give me that on the floor or on the door when I put it on the table. Yeah, baby, spin that fucking shit like a dreidel. Yep, you're a fucking Jew, and I don't give a shit. 1, 2, 3, 4 more whores can join us, and I don't give a shit, cause you're a bunch of vaginas. Oh yeah, baby girl, rhyme us with motherfuckers. Oh shit, with what? I don't know, but bitch, you're a slut. Take it up your butt while I bust this nut, and Eric, go ahead and tear it up.
You want me to fucking tear it? Let me hear all them bitches hear it, glare it, tear it the fuck up. Now spark that bowl and spark that blunt up like I give a fuck. Touch your cup and up top, and you motherfucker feel it, and you tilt it till you're drunk as fuck, until you're ready to pass the fuck out. Eric Young, another side lasting all night till I see that morning light. We're partying till we break that in that daylight. That next day, that Monday, let's work for what we can say. Hey, every night let's party alright. Sipping coke and Bacardi, well them hotties, chilling with them naughties, doing what I do. But I say, nigga fuck me, no nigga fuck you. You just a cracker Jew. You're coming at me, but I'm coming at you times two. Reply me, and I'm gonna have to do this like a Siamese twins. Get the chainsaw separation.
Separate, bitch. I'ma just take over this trick. Yeah, I'ma take over that trick. She's a Siamese bitch, and I'll split her in half while I split her legs. Divide that bitch and I'll multiply in what I'm going in, what I'm going in, what I'm going in, what I'm going in, I'm fucking on. Yeah, baby, let's get it on. You can get on the floor and I can get on your hoe, and you can drop your jaw all the way down to the fucking toe. Oh, baby, let's go. Everybody knows that you're too slow to flow with the bro, so I'ma just go into the fucking show me more motherfucking bitches. I wanna slap their tits, it's so fucking sick. I watch it all day long. I could just watch it while the bitch is jumping in a thong. Slap that fucking ass, slap those fucking tits. They're just so fucking ace, they're class. Whoops, I don't know, I'ma pass, puff, pass. Let me smoke that grass, let me smoke that hash, let me smoke that resin. I don't give a shit, I'm getting fucking high, you know, no fucking lie. I don't even need to fucking smoke twice, takes one try. Whoops, maybe more, but I will smoke so many blunts. Whoa, I don't fucking know how to count no more. I see one too many blunts in the forefront. I don't give a fuck, cause you're a hoe cunt. Bitch, suck on my nuts, then I'ma just tell you slurp them up, slurp up my cum, put it on your tongue. Tell that bitch, yep, Dylan is hung like a horse, and you're just a whore. Yep, baby, that's the whole story. Of course, but sorry for ya, I am. Whoops, I'm Yeti, Yoda man. Whoa, I'm not doing yoga, man, but your girl can on my fucking dick while we do a fucking trick. It's so fucking sick. Going Dylan on the shit, and Eric take a spit, take a fucking shit, take a fucking turn, and I don't give a shit. It's my turn to burn, so it's your turn to spit. So I'm finishing it. I don't give a fucking little bitch ass shit. Oh baby, suck my dick, bitch. Cool.
I'm feeling retarded. Eric retarded. I'm just a and I'll guard this. Eric Young playing at the game like a card kid. I'm resting all I got and I'm giving it the best. It's like a motherfucker when you put me to the test. I get successes. I'm so blessed because you motherfuckers fail. Then you motherfuckers wish you could, cause bitches do it bail. Cause you can't, motherfuckers, but I fucking can. And motherfucker, yes, that's alright. I'm the man, cause I'm rapping the east and I'm coming from the west. And a motherfucker suck a dick, cause a dick. Motherfuckers getting it done. It's like a motherfucker bitch suck a dick and she gone. It's like the next day, next phase, next day. Whoa, what the fuck did I just say? What the fuck am I saying? I don't need a hoe for anything. Motherfucker doing what I serve up strong. Hold on, do the cubic going on down.
Fucking motherfucker, I don't give a shit, trick. I don't give a shit, trick.
You don't give a shit.
I don't give a shit, trick. Oh, bro, right through the fucking hole. That bitch. Hold that bitch. Hold it on the fucking bed. Hold that bitch. Hold it on the fucking bed. Hold that bitch. Don't tie her up instead. Hold up. I'm gonna tie her to the fucking bed, and then I'm gonna get right in the boat. Yeah. I'm gonna leave it with a splinter when I put in my wood. Cause I should go real hard, harder than the motherfucking stick or in the yard. Motherfuckers know that meow meow. What the fuck you doing right now? I don't fucking know, but meow. Whoa, 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 I'm crazy on the flow. I just close my eyes and just go. I'm tripping so. I don't give a shit, ho. I'ma just flip it like a motherfucking patty on a skillet. Bitch, I got skills that kill it, and I don't give a shit for real it. Will lit up like a spliffet, and you just know that I ain't going with it like a wiffle ball. What y'all talking about? I don't give a shit, I got cotton mouth. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. Oh, whoa, I'm walking out the door. No, I'ma just sit. I feel like I'm floating shit. I don't even know where my legs are at. They feel like they're wrapped around my back, but they're in the front. Whoa, what? I don't even know, man, I'm going nuts. Tell these hoes to suck a nut, and I'ma just go, what? Go, crazy, yep, show. Go, wavy, whoa. Wee, wah, blah, blah, bro. Tell the bitch to suck on my dick and I blow in her mouth. Going down south on the hoe.
Gadget.
I don't give a shit. Take the go gadget flow and just scratch it. I'm gonna just wrap it. Oh shit, I'm going fucking shift it into third. Going fucking faster than her. Sure, bird is the word, but I'ma just hit the fucking perp, cause this shit's for sure the fucking dankest fucking shit I've had on the universe. Sure, whoa, I'm fucking crazy. 411s, man, triple C's, I'm wavy like a motherfucking snake in the grass. You're a fucking little fucking ace in the ass. Ooh, baby, I wanna tap that. You look real crazy and you look real fat. Oops, pretty hot and tempting, I mean that. Ooh, baby, I'm a cat. I'm cool for cats. Oh, woo, baby, can you do that? Hoo, like a motherfucking owl or a fucking bat. I'm flying in the night, baby girl, I'm high as a fucking kite, right? Oh, whoa, I roll, and I smoke, and I toke, and I smoke, and I choke, and I don't give a shit, cause I just like to spit my whole fucking game, and I don't give a shit, girl, I'm going insane. I feel like I'm attached to my fucking brain, through this motherfucking couch I'm laying on. Oh man, I'm way past gone. I don't even know which planet I'm on. I could be on Mars, but I think Mom could call me and tell me to march home. But sorry, Mom, I'm gone. I don't even know